Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from the Robinhood app. A lot of people ask how to do this. It's kind of a hidden feature within the app, probably because Robinhood doesn't really want you to withdraw your money. Robinhood is an investing app. You can invest in stocks, crypto, and more. And I'm starting to do some more tutorials for it, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in that. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get a free stock worth up to $200. But let's get right into this. You can see I have $104 invested. I have Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. I think that's it. And then I have $17.74 of buying power that you can see there in the middle of the screen. So that should be the amount that you can withdraw. Sometimes it'll be on hold for a few days if you just sold a stock or something like that. But what you want to do is go to your profile, click the tab in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to open this menu in the top left corner. And then we're going to tap on transfers. This is kind of the hidden screen where you can transfer your money out of your Robinhood account. You can see withdrawable cash, like I said before, $17.74. You want to make sure you have a bank account linked right there. And then all you need to do is tap transfer money from brokerage, which is your withdrawable cash balance. And then you want to choose your bank account. Then you can type the amount. I'll just do $17.74. That's what I have in here. Tap review. $17.74 will be deducted from your Robinhood account immediately. It may take up to 5 business days to transfer. Then just tap the transfer button. And we're good to go. Withdrawal submitted. Your $17.74 transfer to your bank has been initiated. This transfer may take up to 5 business days to complete. Just tap continue and you're good to go. You can see withdrawable cash just updated to $0. We can go back to the home screen. See my buying power is $0. And there you have it, how to cash out your money from the Robinhood app to your bank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.